We're here today. What is today? June 9th, 2025 is a Bun Special video. Written, edited, directed by Bun Special, graphics by Bun Special, sounds by Bun Special, handcrafted with fine ingredients, sound effects by Bun Special. This video is performed by an amateur, do not attempt at home. The watch is hard, making this video for entertainment only. Okay, this one's different. I purchased a clock. Torsion clock. I gotta open it up. Oh, maybe I can open it up like this. It's very tight in here. I think it opens up like this. Let's see. I don't know. Looks like they packed it very nicely. Am I getting this? Get most of it. Always cut away from you. Remember, always cut away, but right now I'm cutting towards me. Always cut away. Oh man, why is that? What the heck? Oh, I think that's it. I did all four. Did I do all four? Let's make sure. See, no. Ooh, this corner got dented. Crap. I think that's it. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I can take this out then. I don't know. Maybe I should have just cut it from the top. I don't know what I did. Oh man. Alright, let me cut it again. First, you can't see. I'm cutting at the top. I should just cut this way. Let's see. Oh, that was the way I should have done it, from the top. Oh, let's play off. I don't have a proper setup like some people. So now I'm gonna take stuff out. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think I did it upside down. Oh, I can't see. Oh, wow, they didn't separate it. Where's the top? I think this is the top. I think it goes like this. Anything else in the box? Oh, it looks like they packed it pretty good. Oh, let's see. I only got another... I really can't see what I'm doing. Oh, how do I open this up? Damn, they got a lot of bubble wrap on this. Very nice. Damn. Holy crap. Wow. Maybe they should give me instructions. Oh, okay. I think I got a system now. Let's face it this way, I guess. Oh, it's just unwrapping it. I think it came in one piece, because it has a glass dome. Oh man, I bought one of these once. Of course, you really can't see much. There it is. How do I... Oh man, how do I do this now? Holy crap. Oh. Holy cow. This packing is like some serious... There's some serious freaking packing here. Alright, give him that. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh, it's round and round. Oh, round and round. Round and round. Round and round. Round and round. Oh, we're getting there. Ooh, baby. That's pretty much it now. You see the base? It's got the glass. Oh, we're almost there. Almost there. Oh, the tape is sticking to me. Oh, man. This will probably be the last torsion clock I buy. Because I'm running out of room. I have no room for these things. I bought this one because it has the disc weight. I like the disc weight. Let's see. Damn, look at this packing. They probably bent stuff when they, it's all filled with bubble wrap. Usually when they fill stuff with bubble wrap. Oh man, let's see, almost done. How does this plastic come off then? Oh, this tape is real sticky. Real sticky. I'm gonna run out of time soon. I didn't clear the memory. Oh man, how do I get this off? I should have brought the scissors. Oh man, it's taking me... Maybe it's a good thing it takes this long to take the packing off. Oh, the camera's in my way. Holy jeez. Holy crap. Oh, I can take this off then. I'll take the glass off. I gotta put this down on the ground and far away from me. Because I'll be moving around and I'll just forget it's there and I'll kick it. I know myself. Okay. Oh, almost there. Oh man, almost there. Almost there. Oh, there it is. Let's see. Oh, there it is. There it is. Let's see if I can get this off. Oh man. Okay, so this is the disc. What is that? Oh, it looks fairly clean. Oh, it looks clean. Let's turn it around. Oh man. Holy crap. Oh yeah. Got it all off. Oh, got it all off. So, oh, it looks like it's been polished. There it is. Wow. And there's the dial. What is it, dial porcelain? Yeah, it looks like it's porcelain. It's got, so let's see the interesting part. Oh, there's the metal. And we'll look at the back. What does that say? I don't know what it says. It looks like it didn't get too messed up. Alright, let's see if the weight. Oh, how do I get the weight out? Holy cow. Oh, wasn't too bad. Oh man. Oh. Let me get the weight out of here. Oh, they shoehorned it in there. Oh, there's the weight. Disc. Oh man. Oh, running out of time. You know what I want to do? Oh, interesting. Oh, this is the bottom. There's nothing written on the bottom. Looks cheap. Let's see. Can I get this on? No, it doesn't want to cooperate. Oh, there you go. No, I know it's not level. Oh, man. Let's use a CD box. Carefully. Oh, I shouldn't touch this shit. Oh, the CD box is too big. I gotta be careful because I don't want to bend anything. I'm trying to... Oh, there's semi-level. I wonder if it works. Oh, I gotta take it apart, clean it and oil it. Let's see, what am I looking at? Let's see. I do it like this. Oh, it doesn't even want to move. I don't even think it's working. Oh, maybe it's not even wound up. Ha! Oh, let's wait. Let's just see if... I got a bunch of keys here. One of these should fit. Is there any tension on this thing? There's some tension. Oh, jeez. Let's see. It has this adjusting mechanism on the top. That's why I purchased it off of eBay. I've never seen this before, but so on my research, it's a figure about manufacturer. So it's not really doing anything right now. This thing is really up high, this fork thing. So I'm gonna fool around with this a little bit. Eventually I'll have to take it apart, but I'm gonna fool around with it a little bit and see if it runs. Well, I think it's gonna run. Anyway, that's a torsion clock with the disc pendulum. So I gotta look at it closer now. Well, thank you for your cooperation. I hope you enjoyed the program and enjoy the rest of your day.